Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix network icon is not showing in your PC or laptop home screen. So let's begin on it. So here you can see on my laptop home screen there have no icon for network. So I want to solve this problem. So for that you just need to right click on your mouse and then go to personalize. Now you should need to go on theme, and if your screen is your laptop or desktop screen is big, then you need to scroll down, or if your laptop screen is small, then go to right side and then you can get a option desktop icon settings. So select on it, then you need to select this network icon. There you can see network, you need to mark it and then go to OK. Now you need to go on your home screen and there have an option, you can see network icon is showing here, so you can put it here. So that's it. In this way you can fix network icon is not showing problem. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.